Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you the latest vlogging setup that I just assembled this morning. So this is how it looks like. This is the best and most beautiful vlogging rig that I just assembled so far. I will be using this to vlog in the city and remote places. Okay, so we'll start with this component. This one is the external monitor. It's 7-inch from this view. 7-inch monitor. It's very nice. I have read a lot of positive feedback before I bought this external 7-inch monitor. So this external monitor is going to serve my main camera, which has its own 3.2 inch monitor. But the thing is, it's for me. It's for my own application. This is too small. It's only 3.2 inch. That's the reason why I attached this 7-inch external monitor. So in here we have a battery bank. This is I use this battery bank to charge my main camera and as well as my GoPro. So that's the use of this battery bank. So in here, so this is how it looks like over here. You see, I use this kind of handle rig because it has multiple holes. You can see these holes are 1 port and 3/8 standard thread. So you can use any you can attach any kind of device with this kind of screw. For instance, here this is a small tripod that I use it installed as an extra handle for the setup. You see, it's having this 1 port in standard, so I can use any one of these. Let's say I put it here. There you go. So I also bought this from Amazon. This it's aluminum, actually. It's aluminum handle, made of aluminum. It's very sturdy. And this is this 7-inch screen is sitting on top of this ball head. It used to be. This ball head is originally installed in this mini tripod, but I took it and I use it here. So it's very nice. So what happened is with this ball head I can be able to pivot the screen 360 degrees with whatever I like. So it's very flexible. So this is my main camera. It's a full frame. So but you can use any kind of camera. This is a Nikon. Actually, it's a Nikon camera. This is the Z6. The reason I use this Z6 is because this is the only camera that I have. So you can use any camera for this whole setup. And I have this 16 to 50 millimeter crop sensored lens. I use this for photography as well as recording videos. So this one is a wireless microphone. It's made by Rode. This is the receiver. There will be a wiring that is attaching this to this main camera. This one is it's a remote control from Newer. So I use this to take photographs remotely. Take photographs with this camera. So this is the receiver that is also will be attached to this camera. Now in here you will notice this is a video head. So I prepared a video head from ball head like this, because this ball head, once you untighten it, it's either it's very loose, and if you tighten it, it's very stiff. So there's nothing in between. Unlike this one, once you adjust this, it's easier to control, because what happens is you will see you can pan the setup vertically very smoothly, and you can pan horizontally very smoothly as well. So this is ideal for taking cinematic videos, especially when you are tracking moving objects like airplanes and birds. So over here there's another microphone here. This is wired microphone, which is also will be attached to this camera. And the reason why I use two microphones, one wired and one wireless, is because this wired microphone is very convenient to use, especially when I am near the camera, just maybe a few feet away from camera, I can use this. But the thing is, that's the limitation. You cannot go farther than that, than a few feet. Whereas this wireless microphone, you can go as far as 5 meters away from this camera, and you can still do some record some voice over. So this rig also has this LED light for low light situation when I need extra light. It's very simple, but it's very nice, very powerful. You can control the brightness. Although it's very simple, but it's still very useful. And we have this so in addition to my main camera, I have this GoPro. This is GoPro 8. So sometimes there are cases wherein it's more convenient to use a GoPro, or sometimes I use both at the same time to give me the kind of video recording that I want. And this one is all of this setup is sitting on this small mini tripod. This mini tripod is very interesting because it's capable of holding about 11 pounds. That is roughly 5 kilograms. And the reason why I'm using this is because in some places they don't allow you to take photographs or record videos when you are using a big tripod like this. So it's very hard to hide this one. But for us, this small tripod, you can always hide this easily. So that's it. This is I think the best vlogging setup that I have created or assembled so far. And leave your comments below, guys, if what do you think about this new vlogging setup that I just assembled. And if you find this useful and you learned something from this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on my next video uploads. This city
Alexa, special morning voice speaks to me through an open window, masquerading